Ooh. Ooh. Shards? What the fuck? Oh my god. Bro. Also, is it weird to anyone that the intro was so loud, but the rest of the game has been so quiet? There we go. You think I was the only one that got lit with the loud audio? Maybe. Alright, let's fucking do it. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm loving this. This is great. I was also a big fan of how the devs made like a bit to make fun of people who were like, Dark Souls gotta be dark and evil. Fuck! It's like twice I've done the exact same thing. Oh my god, no! My microplastics! Man. I'm not super happy about the microplastics in my testicles, but I mean, what are you gonna do? Somebody mentioned a parry? I don't think there's a parry. Wait, what the fuck is this? Yeah, I don't have a parry. Yeah, I'll get it, but I definitely don't have it now. Oh my fucking god. Okay. I'm gonna just finish my fucking food and focus up. What do you think kidney stones are made out of? They're made out of minerals, man. They're made from the same shit that's in a tonsil stone. It just comes out your pee-pee. Oh, I just saw somebody describe it as a natural human pearl, and that's just awful. Oh, well, you know what? A win's a win. We take those. You know, I should just block more. The durability of the shell is like fucking me up, but like there's shells everywhere. There's like multiple shells per fucking spot. You know? Fuck me. Fuck. And that was me focusing up. Wait until someone makes a kidney stone necklace? Oh my god. Shut up. Shut up your mouth. With that. Man. I took a dank hit on the podcast this week. And I feel like no one could blame me. You know? Yeah, I think no one's blaming me. Oh my god. Oh, there we go. Jesus. Huh. It's stronger when you're right in front of them. Good to know. Oh. What's worse, a kidney stone necklace or the jar? Oh, you mean one jar, one cone? Yeah, that's pretty bad. Oh yeah, that pops instantly, huh? Oh wow. Oh wow. Fuck. Pat's not mentioned that he's going to stream the new 14 raid, which is funny because I've never actually streamed. I haven't streamed the 14 raid since Shadowbringers. I didn't do it during Endwalkers at all. Also, I blew through it in like 40 minutes this morning. Oh, I did the things of the realm. I might do the 24 man, but the one that, oh, pop off counts as a, I see, not pop off, but that, ooh, I'm understanding now. I'm starting to understand. I'm starting to understand. Oh, that's... Wow, that's really strong. Holy shit. A win's a win. A win's a win. We take that. We take that. We take those. We take those. We take that. That's a win. That's a big win. We take those. We take them. That's a win too. That's also a win. That's a huge win. It is brave, thank you. Feel very brave right now. Oh, fuck. Alright, here we go. Oh, shit! Oh, shit! Huh, where's the... Where's the fucking... Where's the... my... Well, shit. Better nail it. Crushing. Blue aggro lets you know it's going to crushing. Powerful blows are likely to break your shell. Oh my god. Whoa, he broke his fucking... Oh my god! I got a pearl! Ooh. I did attack his weak point for massive damage. Shit, how am I supposed to get my fucking shit back? Fuck. Fuck. Ooh. At long last, the hermit crab laid eyes on the powerful, borderline sensual body of the moon snail. Hi. Thanks for leading me here. I think the Duchess is gonna like this pearl. Still need a way to get out of this cave. In order to progress, the hermit crab will have to further expand on his umami abilities. Cool, how do I do that? I'm getting to it, damn. Hermit crab closes his eyes and allows himself to become one with the waves. He notices the effect his body has on the currents around him and lets himself be changed in turn. Okay. Hey, when I close my eyes, I can start to see something. I see a tree. Sort of tree of skills. I can warp between moon spells. Every single thing leaves currents in its wake as it travels through this ocean. Be a living person, a beast, a corpse, even a piece of garbage. The life force of the ocean, beating heart of this world. This phenomenon is known as umami. Invisible to most, umami currents can be detected only by a chosen few. Even fewer still can make use of them. Oh, glowing purple stuff. I've seen that around some big shells of crystals. Surprising. Guess I don't need to zap you then. Hermit crab's training may progress faster than anticipated. He feels that perhaps if he enters a discarded moon snail shell, a new use for it might reveal itself. No zapping. The thing looks like a fucking gross brain. Krell's attunement to umami will now enable him to warp between any moon snail shells. Yeah. Oh, it's called Shelleport? Oh, I love it. I love it. $43 of 1,400? The hermit crab knows instinctively to return to this place whenever he faces danger beyond his abilities. I will, thank you. While we're at it, can you tell me how taxes work? Hermit crab knows instinctively to stop pushing its luck. So, because I'm stupid and shit, I have to do the whole thing again and not die. Yeah, I know she's gonna give me the parry, guys. Chillax. Don't die, that's my specialty. You know I've never died in my life? It's true. That's not true, actually. Holy shit. Don't worry about it. I once drowned a little bit when I was a kid. Just a little. Did I lose consciousness? Oh yeah, I was fucked. It was highly, highly not good. Hermit crab returns, prepared to augment his abilities. What do we got? We got... Ooh, okay. What do we got over here? Ooh, what do we got? Ah! Hermit crab's shell is invaluable in protecting him from predators. Protection won't be enough. To achieve his goals, he must take his jewel as a tool of aggression. Deflects his enemies' attacks, destabilizing them and confusing them. How can such a small creature withstand such massive blows? It seems to defy the natural order. Hermit crab moves like water itself, performing practical acts of acrobatics to avoid predators. One wrong move, it could all be over. Out in the open ocean, many creatures must take another's body in order to survive. Hermit crab has taken life many times already, but as the story escalates, so too must the violence. So we've got housewarming, elusive prey, spearfishing, plunge, aggravation, or riposte. You want trash hammer? Well, what I want is fucking riposte. Actually. Hermit crab's control over his shell does not stop with deflecting attacks. By redirecting their energy, he turns his opponent's strikes into his own. Such in-depth battle strategy is rare in the ocean. Praise be to the noble moon snail, who taught him everything he knows. Now, here's the fun part. After a successful parry, hit RB to perform a riposte that does a lot of damage and stores a charge. Be careful, you aren't invincible. Press RB while sprinting. Hit A to jump and do a dodge like that. Hold. What? Hold LB to block and let go? That's so weird. So I like how some people are saying negative edge parry, like other people in the chat will have any idea what you're talking about. You people watch Wooly's channel. You watch Max's stream? Ah, there it is. All right. Time to start over. Time to start the whole fucking thing over. Let's fucking go. Okay. Oh my god, this is gonna be... Oh, I have so much trouble with this. Oh, he uses his claw. Oh, cool. Oh, shit. Oh, they really want you to block, huh? Okay, well that's good. I'm glad I got that. Yes. Yeah. 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 Okay, got it. Game is mine now. Every time I open my fucking mouth. Every single time. Like, why do I even live? Why do I even talk? Why do I even live in this world? Okay, so the next ones are 20 or 25. Oh, man. Oh, yeah. Oh, the juice! The juice, gentlemen. Oh, fuck. God, this music's so fucking good. Okay. That's why they tell you about the parry like that. The reason they tell you like that is because it's not gonna stop enemies like that. Okay. Gotcha. This music is so good! Oh! Oh, fuck. Oh, I wonder what Banana has. Health! Banana has value! Gotcha. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Gotcha. Woo! Clothes claw. Trade in for 1,000 microplastics. Fuck yeah. Huh. Oh, I can't reach it. Darn. Yeah, this magic system is really great. This is really, really great. Like every shell that you pick up. Huh. Ah, wasn't close enough. When does the combat music start playing? When you see an enemy. Oh! Oh. Come on, how do I get that? Oh, it's too far. Oh. Worse than your jokes? Oh no, never. Don't worry, buddy, you're safe. Don't you worry about it. When does Pat get to Anne Orlando? Apparently, didn't they make a gag about that? And did it. What do we got? What do we got? Oh, fuck. Oopsie. Oopsie fucking doodle. Hey. Oh shit! Oh, shit. It was a trap. Oh, sorry, gang. Thanks, Bleetroo. Thank you. Pat, look out. Yes. Got it. Thank you. Huh, it even counts when you're going sideways. Interesting. Like when you're running sideways, you just immediately... Oh. Wow, no, this is... Ooh! There's juice here. Juicing. Alright. So, it'd be nice if I actually found a... you know. Not bonfire. It's not called a bonfire. It's not a bonfire. It's a moon snail shell. It's not a grace. It's not a site of crab grace. Oh, that's so fucking weird. Fucking aim and hit me, bitch. Alright, you know what? That's fine too. That's fine also. Oh, that's a very specific hitbox. Interesting. Is that a coconut shell? Roll out! Hell yeah. Oh, rollout needs to be off. Yeah, okay. That makes sense, actually. Rollout needs to be the whole thing. That makes perfect sense. What the fuck is that thing? That looks like some stupid bullshit. Whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Whoa, whoa! Oh, that's a crystal lizard. That's what that is. Oh, wait, you don't want... Oh, you do got that, but you get a party hat! Party time. Ooh, chip claw microplastic. Huh. What's the point of this? Oh, that's awesome! And you roll forward to do it? Holy shit. Look at this cardboard. Give. Thank you. Yo, this game's got so much juice! Oh! Ooh. Hey. Wow, that was a lot of extra health. That's way more than I... That was way more extra health than I expected. Another party chat. Oh, the same party chat, actually. Wait, I can pull the shells to me. I can pull... Oh. Somebody said there might be another new one on the cardboard bridge. I didn't see one, but I'm willing to go check. I did not know I could pull shells to me. Look like a cork? Oh no, that's just sit. That's just sit down and chill, man. I think I got everything here. I like these not Heinz tomato ketchup shits. Yeah, that's a really inventive way to do a parry, specifically on Let Go. Is that beer? Looks like beer. Oh! Oh! This is where I started. Well, now that I have a way to defend myself, let's go explore. Can't see any reason why Wooly wouldn't like this game. I'm wondering, it's one of the things that I'm very fascinated in, which is like,